start right there. Let it idle down and then we'll roll on out. That sound never gets old. Doesn't matter how loud it is, I'm still gonna love it. Just a little background real quick. This is a privately owned collection that we're going to. I forget the gentleman's name, but he calls it Hemi Hideout. Okay? And now it's filled with all original matching numbers cars, a bunch of beautiful neon signs, and you'll see all that in a few minutes when we get there. Coordinated by West Houston Muscle. So they're doing a Corvette show there today. But for now, we're about to get on the highway. It's about a 20-minute drive. I'm going to give you a little second gear roll on pull. Once we get to the on-ramp, you can hear how loud this thing is. Hemi Hideout. Just so y'all can see. It's only Corvettes in front and behind me. Look at that. It's hilarious. Definitely the odd one out here in a Challenger with a group of Corvettes. You're good, come on by. Doesn't bother me any. No worries. So apparently, last year when they did this, they had a record of 115 Corvettes show up. And they're trying to beat that record this year. They're estimated to have over 150 arrive this year. And I can tell you right now, I've already seen about 80 of them, so I think they're gonna win. Beautiful colors in all these cars too. I'll get over there in a minute and look at all of those. There's just so many of them. Stingray. That one said 480 CI on the side, so who knows if that's true or not, but that'd be pretty cool if it had a 480 cubic inch engine in it. Be like an 8.2 liter. Look at the lights on this one. Ooh, cams, Grand Sport. go. APR wings are amazing. Look at that thing. It's called a C7Z Red Devil. Bronze wheels on an orange Corvette. I can dig it. West Houston Muscle also hosts a lot of biker events with Corvettes, so you might see a lot of bikes here too. Mainly Harleys, but you'll see a little bit of everything. Let's slowly walk by all these. There's a lot of them, so it'll take me a while to get all the way to the end. Get all the C8s and C7s and C6s. From completely stock to everything done to them.
I think you wrapped it.
Look, that one has a tow hook. Hopefully he's never had to use it. There's a yellow Corvette up here that's kind of in the way, so I'm gonna have to go around them. Look at that. Look at the exhaust on this one too. Let me go around them real quick. Beautiful Stingray. Good look at this one. Beautiful Stingray. If they look longer on video than you might think they are, it's because I'm at 0.6 zoom right now. So just a little FYI there for y'all watching. This car's gorgeous. A lot of Grand Sports and a lot of Stingrays. And in a moment, I'm going to go around the building to the other side and do the same thing, where they're lining literally every Corvette in a parking lot. And after that, we're going to go inside the Hemi Hideout and kind of get an idea of how big this place is. Anyway, I'll probably come back to these later, but just to get an idea. They're just lining them up, man. Gonna park them all over the grass as much as they can. Get them as tightly fit as possible. And we're gonna go ahead and go inside Hemi Hideout. Look at all the signage and all the beautiful cars inside there while passing these classic Corvettes right here. Gorgeous. Definitely my favorite color, that maroon color. This is overwhelming. Roadrunner's pretty cool. Now this is pretty neat. They have like a whole lounge area over here with a diner. You don't see that in too many garages. A full diner. That's pretty cool. Got a elephant engine on top of an elephant. Now we're hot rodding.
If I had something.
This is probably the only one I could afford out of the entire place right here. And it's still probably out of my budget. Look at this. Coolest little car. It's a very unique way to prop a hood. Ooh, a Duster. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. That's pretty cool. Powered by kerosene.
This one was followed. Mr. Mars had a chance to not the 24, but the 23. Lexus LX600 F Sport Robot.
I just made, yes, so this is the
That's
fourth
impressive.
generation of the LX series. This came out in 2022.
That's pretty neat. Pink Challenger. All these cars are privately owned by the same person, just so y'all know. Is that a Dart? Oh no, it's a Roadrunner. With really, really big tires in the back. So I'm gonna let y'all take in all the artwork on the walls real quick. And I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the show. Probably resume the video later. But I mean, there's so much signage, you can't look at them all at one time. Over here by general parking. You know, just drive a Jeepster. You see those every day, right? Beautiful car. That should be on the showroom floor. A Chevy Coupe. And we're back. So that was a fun day. My phone actually died right when y'all saw that Bel Air, I believe, like that bright blue Bel Air. That was a beautiful car, and then it died right after that, so I apologize for that. But we came back home, got the car right here. Hope y'all enjoyed hearing it as much as I did. It was, I think, the first video I have of the car actually rolling and with a full throttle second gear pull. But yeah, leave a comment, like it, subscribe if you want to see more of this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.